Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the part 3 of this series, and I'm gonna call it quits after this one, but I'm gonna show you what I did. I just laid it on top, and I must have nudged over one time too much, but I just laid it on top and put it pretty close to the crosshair, and you get the idea. That's what I did. Now let's just move it out of the way. Now, if he wanted these exact colors, for some reason, when you use the eyedropper tool on a color with even these crosshairs, it fills in the whole thing. It goes beyond the lines. So what you need to do is take your smart fill tool and fill that in and move cursor over, smart fill cursor over. So you're basically making other boxes. Take that box and go no fill. Now take your eyedropper tool, take a sample of that. Go to your eyedropper tool, take a sample of that. Go to your eyedropper tool, take a sample of that. Go to your eyedropper tool, take a sample of this. And I guarantee the colors are dead on, with the exception that this is the one on the left is fuzzy, and the one on the right, which I created, is vector line art. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.